Teachers, I heard that 94% of you reach into your own pockets to pay for classroom necessities. And this makes me sad because teachers are 5 times more likely to have a side hustle than any other profession. But it got me thinking, what side hustles would be great for teachers? So I spent hours researching and I picked the top 23 side hustles that you can start today using the skills you already have. These 23 were just my favorite ones that I picked, so I didn't want them to go to waste, but at the end, I'm gonna give you a special bonus of all the side hustles that I found that you can screenshot. And one more thing, this information could easily be a paid course, so be sure to research free alternatives on YouTube before paying for any course. I started my first side hustle in 2016, and it literally changed my life. And ever since then, I thought that everybody deserved to have the financial security that came with side hustles. Okay, I'm not gonna make you wait any longer. The top 23 side hustles for teachers. Number 1, security for events at local stadiums. And I first became aware of the side hustle watching the Eras Tour on social media. Numerous security guards had posted footage. Got me thinking, check your local stadiums for special event security. Number 2 is Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. And this is one side hustle that I use a lot, and it provides me hundreds of dollars each month. You can share all of your knowledge in book and ebook format. Amazon is easily the #1 shopping platform, so it has a built-in customer base. You can sell ebooks with a 70% profit, or you can sell regular books with still a healthy profit. Number 3, sell curriculums. This is one of my favorite because one of my favorite things is monetizing your day-to-day. And if you're a teacher and you've been a teacher for a long time, chances are you have a really solid curriculum. There are tons of new teachers out there that could really benefit from your expertise. Number 4, host on Airbnb. Use that spare room to bring in some extra money. Fun fact, over 10% of the hosts in the United States say they work in teaching or education. Number 5, open an Etsy shop. You can do this for your hobbies or your teaching. Just like Amazon, Etsy has its own customer base. But unlike Amazon, Etsy's customer base loves supporting small businesses. Just like we discussed, your curriculum and your ebook, you can upload those for digital products. Number 6, start a YouTube channel. You can turn your teaching techniques into really helpful guides, or you can focus on your hobbies. The fun thing about YouTube is that you can set up multiple channels to simultaneously test different niches to see which one performs well. Number 7, start a blog. A blog is a great way to set up a personal brand and to become a known and trusted personality online. Another really good thing about a blog is if you're doing a YouTube channel, you can go to writeblogger.com, plug in the YouTube video link, and it will generate a whole blog post for you. So that is a double income stream with YouTube and a blog all built in one. Plus, if you set up a blog, you can still sell all of your digital products on your own website. My favorite blogging platform is WordPress, and it makes it really easy to get started on your own blog. Here's a quick tutorial on using WriteBlogger to help with your blog posts by converting your YouTube video into a blog post automatically. First, you're going to log into writeblogger.com. You'll select the YouTube video to blog post, which is under social. Then you'll paste in your YouTube video link. And be sure to add anything additional. There's a bunch of things here. I usually like to make sure that I put it in list format because I like to speak in bullets and lists, so I like to also give information that way. Then you will click generate, and after you're done and you like everything, copy and paste it into a WordPress blog post. Number 8, sell digital downloads. I know you create worksheets. I know you create other tools that you hand out in your classroom. You might as well sell them online. You can sell them on your website, you can sell them on Shopify, or you can sell them on websites like StanStore. The good thing about a digital product is once you put that work into it up front and you start selling it, it becomes a passive income. For other ideas and digital products, you can check out my video that focuses on trend for 2024. Okay, to help get your creative juices flowing, I wanted to show you how easy it is to find a niche digital product using eRank, the free version, and Etsy as my validator. So first you go to eRank. Again, this is the free version. You'll start a search broadly. You can use teacher digital, teaching digital, something really broadly, because then you'll niche down from there. And once you come up with a few ideas, then you're going to want to plug those into Etsy. The first thing you're going to want to look at is how many results are returned based on your Etsy search. Then you'll start looking through the listings to see how many reviews they have, if they're a bestseller, if their product stands out, how niche it is. Write those down. You're going to want to create something very similar, but add a little bit more value to each of these products. And as a special bonus to this video, if it reaches 1,000 likes, I will put a free template in the video description. And I like doing this because sometimes you just need a little extra to help get you started, and I like to offer that. But don't forget to make this product your own and make it original, otherwise you're going to be competing with thousands of others. Number 9, dog walker or pet sitter. You can combine your love for the furry friends with getting your steps in. Some of my favorite websites are Rover, Wag, or Care.com. They make it really easy for you to get started. Number 10 is to become a tutor. And the estimate per hour is usually between $25 and $80 an hour. And while there are companies out there where you can easily start becoming a tutor, I highly recommend going to Facebook, finding a parent group or a school group that's local to you, and mention your availability. You can also tutor online. If you have a Google Meet, a computer, an iPad, you can absolutely crush it. Also, when it comes to tutoring, specializing in areas like SAT prep or AP courses can significantly boost your hourly rate. Number 11, selling stuff on Teachers Pay Teachers. Teachers Pay Teachers can be a way to earn extra money or even start a business. According to Edutopia, the top seller made over $2 million. 164 made $50,000. And the rest, they earn hundreds of dollars each month. Number 12, coaching after school. Number 13 is start a podcast. Just like YouTube, a podcast is another way to share information that you like talking about. It could be teaching or a hobby. If you want to start a visual podcast, you can even start that on YouTube and export the audio to other podcast websites. Number 14 is run trivia night at a local bar. You can set up a PowerPoint, have multiple rounds, multiple questions. You grade them at the end, and the bar can give out the gifts. If you're interested in hosting trivia nights, start by creating engaging questions that can cover a wide range of topics. Use a mix of easy, medium, and hard to keep your audience entertained and challenged throughout the event. I also recommend using canva.com to create your presentations, and as you can see here, there are plenty of templates to help you get started. Number 15 is buying and selling online. Look for your attics, basements, closets, or even garage sales for things that you can sell on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Number 16 is teaching online at local colleges or even colleges that are primarily online. Number 17 is affiliate marketing. You earn commissions by sharing a link to products or services that you believe in. You can do this through your website if you start a blog. You can do it through YouTube or your podcast. I wanted to give you an example of how to use affiliate marketing, and for this case, we'll use when you partner with an educational tool or provider. Imagine you recommend a popular online learning platform to your fellow teachers, and for every sign up through your unique link, you earn a commission. Now that's a win-win. What you would do is take that unique link and plug it into your blog post, YouTube description, or your podcast description. And just like that, it's live. Now, every time that link gets used to purchase that learning platform or service, you receive a small percentage for referring someone. And it might seem like a small amount, especially in the beginning, but those little amounts add up quickly. Number 18 is mystery shopping. You'll evaluate customer service or food, and you'll get paid for your feedback. The top sites include JobSlinger, Mystery Shop Forum, Market Force, and Sinclair Customer Matrix. Number 19 is Fiverr freelance gigs. You can do UGC, which is user-generated content. Unboxing videos are an example. Or you can do voice lessons, you can do homework help, or even advice. Freelance opportunities are plentiful, and there is a plethora of gigs out there for all types of demographics. If you have a pet, then you can use your pet to review pet products. Take a look at Fiverr or Upwork to see what freelance projects appeal to you. Number 20 is sports scorekeeper. Keep score at local sporting events. Parents and kids love to see their teachers in the wild. I used to love seeing my teacher out in the wild, so it's an absolutely fun way to earn a little extra money. 21, tour guide. Lead local historical tours of sites or museums. I can't tell you how many different tour accounts I follow on TikTok, but they're very fascinating. Number 22 is work at a summer camp. You have the summers off, you might as well use that time to reconnect with nature and work at a summer camp. And 23, umpiring or officiating games. Whew. Okay, that was a lot of information, and honestly, it's just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless opportunities out there for teachers. And if you're looking for detailed guides or step-by-step instruction for any of the hustles I mentioned, check out my other videos. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget that most side hustles take some time to get going, so don't get frustrated and quit the process before you hit that peak. Let me know in the comments down below if you want any more detail about any of the side hustles I mentioned or any of the ones that I didn't. Oh yeah, and thank you for teaching our children. Oh yeah, here's the extended list of side hustles for teachers.